Accounting in computerized environment. Ipcc old syllabus. Features of computerized accounting system. 1. Fast, powerful, simple and integrated, user-definable templates, ability to handle huge volumes of transactions. 2. Complete visibility and scalability, adapts to the current and future needs of the business, irrespective of its size or style. 3. Customized. Software can be tailor-made accordingly to the need of the business. 4. For quick decision making and improved business performance, transforms the business processes with its performance enhancing features, guarantees real-time optimization of operations and enhanced communication. Generates real-time, comprehensive MIS reports and ensures access to complete and critical information instantly. Significance of computerized accounting system. 1. Speed. 2. Basic difficulties are no more. Example balancing trial balance. Accounting packages. 1. Spreadsheet package. 2. Pre-packaged accounting software. 3. Customized accounting software. 4. ERP. 5. Outsourcing. Spreadsheet software. User will have to use his knowledge and skills of spreadsheet software to keep control of figures. Advantages of spreadsheet software as an accounting tool are: 1. It is simple to use and easy to understand. 2. Most of the common functions like doing calculations, setting formulas, macros, replication of cell contents, etc. can be easily done in a spreadsheet. 3. Grouping and regrouping of accounts can be done. 4. Presentation can be made in various forms including graphical presentations like bar diagram, histogram, pie chart, etc. 5. Basic protection like restricted access and password protection of cell can be used to give security to the spreadsheet data. Disadvantages of a spreadsheet as an accounting tool are: 1. It has data limitations. Depending upon the package, they can accept data only up to a specified limit. 2. Simultaneous access on a network may not be possible. Many of the modern softwares allow locking of the table when updation is taking place. This is not possible in a spreadsheet. 3. Double entry is not automatically completed. Formulas or other means have to be adopted to complete the double entry. 4. Reports are not automatically formatted and generated but have to be user controlled. Each time a report has to be printed, settings have to be checked and data range has to be set. In many accounting software, this is automatically taken care of by the program. Prepackaged accounting software. Readily available in the market. Advantages of prepackaged accounting software. 1. Easy to install. The CD or floppy disk is to be inserted and the setup file should be run to complete the installation. 2. Relatively inexpensive. These packages are sold at very cheap prices nowadays. 3. Easy to use. Mostly menu-driven with help options. Further, the user manual provides most of the solutions to problems that the user may face while using the software. 4. Backup procedure is simple. Housekeeping section provides a menu for backup. The backup can be taken on floppy disk or CD or hard disk. 5. Flexibility. Certain flexibility of report formats provided by some of the softwares. This allows the user to make the invoice, challan, GRNs look the way they want. 6. Very effective for small and medium-sized businesses. Most of their functional areas are covered by these standardized packages. Disadvantage of pre-packaged accounting software. 1. Does not cover peculiarities of specific business. Business today are becoming more and more complex. A standard package may not be able to take care of these complexities. 2. Does not cover all functional area. For example, production process may not be covered by most pre-packaged accounting software. 3. Customization may not be possible in most such softwares. The vendors for these softwares believe in mass sale of an existing source. The expertise for customization may not have been retained by the vendor. 4. Reports generated is not sufficient or serve the purpose. The demands for modern day business may make the management desire for several other reports for exercising management control. These reports may not be available in a standard package. 5. Lack of security. Any person can view data of all companies with common access password. Levels of access control as we find in many customized accounting software packages are generally missing in a pre-packaged accounting package. 6. Bugs in the software. Certain bugs may remain in the software which takes long to be rectified by the vendor and is common in the initial years of the software. Consideration for selection of pre-packaged accounting software. 1. Fulfillment of business requirements. Some packages have few functionalities more than the others. The purchaser may try to match his requirement with the available solutions. 2. Completeness of reports. Some packages might provide extra reports or the reports matches the requirement more than the others. 3. Ease of use. Some packages could be very detailed and cumbersome compared to the others. 4. Cost. The budgetary constraints could be an important deciding factor. A package having more features cannot be opted because of the prohibitive costs. 5. Reputation of the vendor. Vendor support is essential for any software. A stable vendor with reputation and good track records will always be preferred. Customized accounting software. Software is developed on the basis of requirement. Advantages of a customized accounting package. 1. The functional areas which are not in pre-packaged software covered gets computerized. 2. The input screens can be tailor-made to match the input documents for ease of data entry. 3. The reports can be as per the specification of the organization. Many additional MIS reports can be included in the list of reports. 4. Barcode scanners can be used as input devices suitable for the specific needs of an individual organization. 5. The system can suitably match with the organizational structure of the company. Disadvantages of a customized accounting package. 1. Requirement specifications are incomplete or ambiguous, resulting in a defective or incomplete system. 2. Inadequate testing results in bugs remaining in the software. 3. Documentation is not complete. 4. Frequent changes made to the system with inadequate change management procedure resulting in system compromise. 5. Vendor unwilling to give support of the software due to other commitments. 6. Vendor not willing to part with the source code or enter into an escrow agreement. 7. Control measures are inadequate. 8. Delay in completion of the software due to problems with the vendor or inadequate project management. Consideration for selection of customized accounting software. 1. Vendor proposals as to the suitability, completeness, cost, and vendor profiles. 2. Preference is given to a vendor who has a very good track record of deliverables. ERP. Integrated software package that manages business process across entire enterprise. Advantages of using an ERP. 1. Standardized processes and procedures. An ERP is a generalized package which covers most of the common functionalities of any specific module. 2. Standardized reporting. Majority of the desired reports are available in an ERP package. These reports are standardized across industry and are generally acceptable to the users. 3. No redundancy. Duplication of data entry is avoided as it is an integrated package. 4. Better information. Greater information is available through the package. Disadvantages of an ERP. 1. Lesser flexibility. The user may have to modify their business procedure at times to be able to effectively use the ERP. 2. Implementation hurdles. Many of the consultants doing the implementation of the ERP may not be able to fully appreciate the business procedure to be able to do a good implementation of an ERP. 3. Very expensive. ERP are normally priced at an amount which is often beyond the reach of small and medium-sized organization. However, there are some ERP coming into the market which are moderately priced and may be useful to the small businesses. 4. Complexity of the software. Generally, an ERP package has large number of options to choose from. Further, the parameter settings and configuration makes it a little complex for the common users. Choice of an ERP depends upon the following factors. 1. Functional requirements of the organization. The ERP that matches most of the requirements of an organization is preferred over the others. 2. Reports available in the ERP. The organization visualizes the reporting requirements and chooses a vendor which fulfills its reporting requirements. 3. Background of the vendors. The service and deliverable record of a vendor is extremely important in choosing the vendor. 4. Cost comparisons. The budget constraints and fund position of an enterprise often becomes the deciding factor for choosing a particular package. Outsourcing. Third party maintains the accounting software and client data does the processing and hands over report from time to time. The advantages of outsourcing the accounting functions are the following. 1. Saving of time. The organization that outsources is able to save time to concentrate on the core area of business activity. 2. Utilization of expertise of the third party. The organization is able to utilize the expertise of the third party in undertaking the accounting work. 3. Data management by professional. Storage and maintenance of the data is in the hand of professional people. 4. Less dependence on key accounting positions. The organization is not bothered about people leaving the organization in key accounting positions. 5. Economical. The proposition often proves to be economically more sensible. The disadvantages of outsourcing are as follows. 1. Lack of security and confidentiality. The data of the organization is handed over to a third party. This raises two issues, one of security and second of confidentiality. There have been instances of information leaking out of the third party data centers. 2. Inadequate services provided. The third party is unable to meet the standards desirable. 3. High cost. The cost may ultimately be higher than initially envisaged. 4. Delay in obtaining services. The third party service providers are catering to number of clients, thereby processing as per priority basis. Choice of outsourcing vendor. The disadvantages of outsourcing are as follows. 1. Lack of security and confidentiality. The data of the organization is handed over to a third party. This raises two issues, one of security and second of confidentiality. There have been instances of information leaking out of the third party data centers. 2. Inadequate services provided. The third party is unable to meet the standards desirable. 3. High cost. The cost may ultimately be higher than initially envisaged. 4. Delay in obtaining services. The third party service providers are catering to number of clients, thereby processing as per priority basis. 1. The amount of services provided and whether the same matches with the requirements. 2. The reputation and background of the vendor. 3. The comparative costs of the various propositions. 4. The assurance of quality. Consideration for choice of different alternatives of accounting softwares. 1. Size of business operation. If the size of the operation is small or medium, the organization can opt for a prepackaged accounting package. However, if the size is big, the organization may decide upon a customized software or an ERP package. 2. Complexity of operation. If the operation is complex with several functional areas which needs to be computerized, the choice is usually a customized software or an ERP package. 3. Business requirement. If the organization has several non-standard requirements, then customized software could be the solution. 4. Budgetary constraints. Cost consideration could also be a deciding factor for the choice of a particular alternative. Normally, the spreadsheet and the prepackaged accounting software works out to be the cheapest. The customized software and the ERP are of higher cost considerations. Generating reports from software. In a prepackaged accounting software, reports are generated from the package. The user is allowed to define the period of the report, which should fall within the accounting period. The reports generally have the option of being viewed on the screen, or printed out through the printer, or saved onto a file. Saved file may be in the text format or spreadsheet format depending upon the software being used. Spreadsheet software's formats have to be defined by the user and can be used to view or print the reports.